RivAIr is a drone-based system for real-time river flow monitoring. A drone is equipped with the RivAIr module, integrating edge computing device for real-time capability, convolutional neural network and optical flow algorithm to automatically detect river flow and estimate surface velocity. The drone takes off, is moved to the target area, and hovers to continuously capture high frame rate images and execute inference cycle of detection and velocity estimation of the river flow, while streaming results directly to a ground unit. The interface allows the field operators to visualize the complete process run on board the drone. The image frame pairs collected, the parameters proving the accuracy of the convolutional neural network inference and visualization of related results, the computation and refinement of the optical flow inference and visualization of results, such as river flow patterns and measured velocity for the target area.